Welcome to this exciting video where I'll be introducing you to a brand new app called Game Time that lets you earn money simply by clicking on crystals. Let's get started. Once the small crystal's energy is depleted, it transfers to the main crystal. Passive income begins at 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and you can earn 5 to 10 coins per second by waiting and activating the main crystal. This is a new and exciting way to earn money, so don't miss out. I will now reveal how to increase debt payment 10 times without clicking on the crystals. Please like this video if you have never seen an app like this before. After activating the big crystal, money drops to your balance for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You can activate 5 active crystals in a row to earn 5 times more money, but the next crystal is blocked for 10 minutes. To skip the block, you can either watch ads or pay 10,000 gold coins, which is unprofitable. You can use 25 multicolored stones that can be obtained from a chest or use energy. Energy is a cool feature that I will explain later. By watching ads, your multiplier increases permanently by 5 times, which multiplies all earnings. I will quickly deactivate all crystals twice in a row to show you the power of earning with 2 active crystals. While watching ads, the timer for passive earning stops, and you don't have to worry about it. With 2 active crystals, I earn 10 coins and multiply that amount by half, earning 20 coins. This multiplier is temporary, but energy can be used to keep it active. The multiplier increases earnings by 5 times, which means I earn approximately 100 coins per second. This income will continue for another 2 minutes, and with all active crystals, you can earn around 500 to 700 coins per second. The rate of these coins is surprisingly high, and I expect to withdraw tens of dollars today. Additionally, I will show you how to decrease and increase the rate of these coins yourself. There are 2 boosters, the Wheel of Luck and Chess, which can be opened and spun for free. The Wheel of Luck can give you 10,000 gold coins, colorful stones, and energy. After spinning the wheel, you can wait for 13 minutes or watch ads to spin again. Bonuses can also be obtained from a chest, and I will show you how to use energy and colored stones. Open the chest and receive 2 bonuses. I have a great tip to increase your earnings by 10 times without even clicking on the crystals. You won't believe it until you see it. Make sure to hit the like button, as this is a video you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. After activating the big crystal, it moves to the side for 2 minutes and 30 seconds, during which time money drops into your balance. You can activate 5 crystals in a row to earn 5 times more money, but the next crystal is blocked for 10 minutes. You can wait or skip the blocking by watching ads, which is not very profitable. Alternatively, you can spend 25 multicolored stones or 10,000 gold coins, which is not recommended. To earn an extra $2 every 2 hours, you can share a TikTok video about this game and paste the link into a secret form. The form is located in the game's bonus section. The rate of coins changes depending on the number of coins on your balance. You can check the rate and withdraw your earnings by clicking on the button, but you need to activate at least 2 crystals. The minimum amount for withdrawal is $5, which is 5 million coins. The exchange rate gets more favorable as you accumulate more coins. In one day, I earned 17,700,000 coins on my balance. The exchange rate is not fixed and depends on the number of coins. I earned around $30 in one day, and I could withdraw them in 2 payments. To withdraw, I clicked on the next button, specified my PayPal email, and confirmed the transaction. After the first withdrawal, my balance was 7 million coins, and I could withdraw the rest in the second payment. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be notified when we upload new content. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might find it useful. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you in the future. Thank you for watching.